Welcome back to Sunanda's Academy. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure with two fiery friends, Lava and Magma, as they explore the amazing world of volcanoes. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in the heart of the Earth, lived two fiery friends named Lava and Magma. They were always curious about the world above them, especially the volcanoes through which they could sometimes escape and explore the surface.
Hey Lava, do you know how many types of volcanoes there are?
I know a few. Let's travel to the surface and discover them all.
First, Lava and Magma visit a gentle giant known as a shield volcano.
Look at how broad and gentle the slopes are. This is a shield volcano. They are made from low viscosity lava that can flow over great distances.
Wow, they look like a warrior's shield lying on the ground. Where can we find them?
Shield volcanoes are found in places like Hawaii. Mauna Loa and Kilauea are some of the most famous shield volcanoes. Next, they travel to a tall and majestic mountain, a stratovolcano.
This one looks much taller and steeper than the shield volcano. It's a stratovolcano.
What makes it so steep?
It's built from layers of solidified lava, ash, and volcanic rocks.
Stratovolcanoes are often found at convergent plate boundaries. Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount St. Helens in the USA are prime examples. Their next stop is at a smaller but very steep cinder cone volcano.
This one looks like a giant pile of rocks and ash.
That's because it's made from fragments of lava called cinders. They're small, but they can form quickly.
Cinder cone volcanoes are common in places like Paracutin in Mexico, which grew out of a cornfield in just a few years. Finally, Lava and Magma visit a unique type called a lava dome.
This one looks like a big rounded lump.
Why is it so different?
Lava domes form from very thick lava that piles up near the vent instead of flowing away.
You can find lava domes in places like Mount St. Helens, where they often form within the craters of larger volcanoes. After their grand tour, Lava and Magma return to their home beneath the earth, excited to share what they've learned.
We discovered shield volcanoes, stratovolcanoes, cinder cone volcanoes, and lava domes.
And now we know where they are located. What an adventure.
And so our fiery friends went to sleep, dreaming of their next adventure. Remember, volcanoes are fascinating but also powerful forces of nature. Always stay safe and respect their might. Thanks for joining us on this volcanic adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunanda's Academy for more exciting stories and educational content. See you next time.